9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at it. Wait, what are okay, let's look at red camo. Wait, there's red? Oh my god, wait, hold on. We might have to buy the collection. Kill banner, what is that? Okay, wait, hold on. I need to take this one at a time. One part at a time. We're gonna quickly give it. Oh, my monitor shut off. I kicked something in the back and the monitor shut off. Oh, and now it's back on. Okay, let me make sure nothing's off. So, dude, one time I kicked to the monitor or like the back of the monitor, and it went to 140 hertz and I couldn't change it. Okay, let's look at the butterfly knife first. So there is the red camo. I don't know what color this is. Something green camo, or blue camo, and green. Okay. So if we look at all those, we'll look at the animation in a second. Actually, kind of cool. I mean, it reminds me of like Call of Duty a little bit. Okay, I want to look at the animation fully. Ooh. Clearly everyone's gonna buy this. I shit you not. Everyone's buying this. Wait until you see the inspect. I know the inspector is crazy. Oh, there it is. Ooh, who is not gonna get this? who's literally not gonna get this knife? Yeah. Oh, what is happening? Okay,